Are you one of those guys who hate eating vegetables and fruits, but you know it's good for you, and there's tons of vitamins and minerals in that? You don't eat that and you start eating vitamin pills? Then in this video I'm going to tell you how you can consume them even if you don't like them in a most enjoyable way. What's up guys, Arish Kavathil here representing AK Fitness. So even I'm one of those guys who don't like eating vegetables, but I don't consume vitamin pills, and I don't recommend any of you guys consuming vitamin pills. Some evidence showing, some research showing that vitamin pills do work. It does get absorbed in your body, and there's some studies which shows that it doesn't get absorbed in your body and it just passes through the urine. So it's a waste of money. So what you can do to be in the safe side, consume vegetables. And I'll tell you in this video, I'm going to show you one recipe where I make my vegetables into a shake. So spinach, broccoli, asparagus, any of the vegetables which you don't like eating, you can make it into a tasty shake. And I'm going to show you today one recipe how you can make it into a shake and add some protein also with it. So there's you get a low carb, low fat, high protein and high vitamin, minerals and antioxidant shake, right? So it's basically what I like to call it is vitamin and mineral shake. So you can have this once every 2 to 3 days, so that it keeps your vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. It keeps your vitamins, minerals, antioxidants all levels up, so that you don't have to waste your money on these pills which they don't even absorb into your body. So check out the recipe. So you will need spinach, cooked spinach, which is very healthy, filled with vitamins and minerals, and plus I've added some onions and other vegetables which will give you the base of all the vitamins and minerals which you need. And personally I hate having vegetables, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it up and make it into a shake. And you guys can do it too if you guys hate vegetables but it's good for them. The only way to consume them is to make an amazing shake, and I'm going to show you one way how to do it. So these are the ingredients you will need. First of all, you will need a blender, right? And then a protein source. You can go with any protein, right? I'm using soy protein. You can go with whey protein, any flavor. What I'm using is unflavored right now, and for that I'm going to compensate with cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is pure cocoa powder, really good for the heart. Then we have Laban, right, which is very good as it keeps your body cool, and a cool body will prevent you from getting spots and pimples on your faces. As it's summertime now, high time you take Laban, and this should be a main part of your diet. You can go with the low fat or even the full fat, up to you guys. Last thing you need is stevia sweetener, because the soy protein is unflavored and unsweetened, so it tastes like cardboard. So I'm going to make sure that I use stevia as well as cocoa powder. Hope you guys like the recipe. This is just one of the recipes. Okay, there's so many ways to do it. I have a lot of recipes yet to come, so if you haven't hit the red button, hit it now, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. See you guys next time.